Do you want to ace 2025 so you don't end up like her? Today we've got the top 10 apps that will help you become the best student you can be. From productivity to learning, these apps will help you stay on top of your game so you don't end up in this mess. Let me show you.
Papers and notebook are great. However, Notion app is the all-in-one workspace that can help you take notes, manage tasks, and organize your project, whether you're working solo or in a group. Notion, keep everything in one space.
Struggling with distractions? Forest is a great app that will help you stay focused by planting virtual trees while you work. And if you exit the app to check social media, your tree dies. This is a fun and rewarding way to stay on task. Look at my forest.
Quizlet is a must-have for exam prep. Create flashcards, take practice exams, and review key concepts on the go. It's perfect for mastering difficult subjects and acing those finals.
Grammarly is like having a personal editor in your pocket. Whether you're writing emails, discussion boards, or essays, it'll help you polish your work so you don't make embarrassing mistakes.
Time management is essential for student success, and Google Calendar can help you keep track of your schedule. Sync your class time, deadlines, and extracurriculars all in one place.
Doist is the perfect app to stay organized and productive. Create to-do lists, set deadlines, and track your progress to make sure you stay on top of your game.
Need extra help on a difficult subject? Khan Academy offers free lessons on math, science, and more. It's a great way to reinforce what you're learning in class or get ahead.
EveryNote is a great note-taking app that helps you organize your class notes, to-do lists, and even voice memos. And the best part is that it syncs across all your devices, so you always have your notes with you.
Wolfram Alpha is like a search engine for complex math and science problems. If you're stuck on an equation or having a hard time with the tough questions, Wolfram Alpha can help you out.
Trello is perfect for managing group projects and individual tasks. You can create boards, assign tasks, and track your progress to make sure everything gets done on time. With the right tools, you can become the best student in 2025. So, which app are you going to use first?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more student success tips in the future. We'll see you next time. Bye!